For what?
For the car wash. Going to the car wash, yeah. Or are we going to a rave? I don't know, maybe.
Sad that at the end of this month the membership is gone.
Oh.